Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Frank, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add first aid kit and damage to your game. So if I hit the play button now, I can walk around, I can jump, I can shot, and also I have an ammo counter in the corner. Other than that, it's empty. The first thing what I'm gonna do is I press on the player, and this here tag, untag, it is very important. I hold it down and press player. So now the tag of our player is player, and it will be important later on. So I need a canvas to display my life. I won't use now a health bar, I'm just gonna use a text because I have text here already. And just for now I use the title. So if you don't have a canvas, come here, right click, and UI canvas. And if you have the canvas already, then right click on the canvas and UI text. I have a text already, so I'm just gonna use that. Control D to duplicate it and move it to the middle. If you want it to be exactly in the middle, just press here, hold down Alt and Shift, and there you go, that's the middle, but I don't want it in the middle exactly. I change this text to life. I duplicate it again, and this is the one that I'm gonna change. So here on the left hand side, change this to life, just to know which one is which one, and this one is live text. The live text will be one that we're going to access from the script. So this one will be our 100 here, our life to start with. Alright, so we have this set up. We're gonna need a couple of things here. We go back to our scene, and I'm gonna add here 2 spheres. One, then press Ctrl D and duplicate it. So the idea is I move around, and if I collide with one of them, that will be the damage, my life will go down, and if I collide with the other one, my life will go up. That will be the first aid. So I aim them, this one will be damage, and the other one is the first aid. Like that. Yep, I go to materials, and I have already here the materials for them, but if you don't have, just press right click, right mouse button, create, and material. This will be there for you. I have already, and I set one of them red, other one is green. Damage is the red, and the first aid is the green. And it's very important, I set the colliders to trigger both of them. Alright, so we have everything set that we need. Now we need, only what we need is a couple of scripts. So I go to my script folder, and I will make 3 scripts. The first one will be the live script. Make another one, call it, oh, hang on, yeah, call it damage. Make another one, name it to first aid. Yep, open them up in Visual Studio. Yeah, so here we go, we have our scripts open. We have the life, the damage, and the first aid. We start with the life. The life script will go to our player, the damage on the damage ball, and the first aid is on the first aid ball. Firstly, the life start here. We type using Unity engine.ui. With that line of code, we can enter the UI. We can change the text from the script. So here, we're gonna say public text, live text. After that, we need 2 integers. One of them is public integer max life and integer current life. Yep, that's what we do. And our max life, we set it to 100. You can do it in a script down there, or you can do it up here. Let's do it here. So we have our max life is 100, and the current life, that's what we need for now. Right? We don't need a start, we need a wig, and here we're gonna set current life equals to max life. Yeah, that's good enough. And in our update method, we're gonna say live text dot text equals to current life dot string, and that's it. So what we do here in the update method is we can update our text, live text, with the current life in every frame. So that's enough for now. We go to the damage. In the damage we don't need none of this. Start like that. Public game object player, that will be our player. Then public live script, that will be our live script. So here's here live is the live script. So we are going to access that script from this one. Right, go down. From the awake method we can set our player to our player. We have game object dot find with tag. Again, game object dot find with tag. This is why it was very important to set our player's tag to player, because now like this we can find it. Right, so we have this, and we need to check if. So the idea is I'm gonna put this damage script on our damage ball, and if something collides with that ball, it will check if it is a player or not. How we can do it? We can do it with a trigger. On trigger enter. We check here if other game object equals player. So if we collide with the player, then something gonna happen. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna decrease the life with 10. And how can we do that? We have to access the other script, and we have to decrease the current life. So we can do that. That's why we need this live script here. We're gonna do live script dot current life minus equals 10. Then destroy game object. So what's gonna happen here is when we collide, when the player collides with this ball, then the live script current life, so the current life will go down with 10, and we're gonna destroy the game object, which is the ball, the damage ball. We don't need it anymore. So that's it for this one. Go to our first aid. Again, we don't need none of this. Basically it's almost the same than the other one, so we can copy and paste most of it, just like that. And here it's a bit different. We're gonna change if other game object is the player, then we just delete this line and put it down there. So if you have 50 or less left, you get 50 plus. So if you have 40 left, it will be 90. If you have 30 left, it will be 80. If it was 50, it's gonna be 100. But if it's more, let's say 60 or 70, it cannot be 110 or 120. It must be 100. You can go above. So the idea is how we can do that is if live script dot current life less than equals 50, then live script current life plus equals 50, else live script dot current life equals live script next life. And we could make it a bit tidier. We could get rid of all of these lines. You know what? We can do it later on. So that works like that now. So what we do here is if we check if the current type is less than equals 50, then we give 50 to it. Otherwise we set it to max life. It works now. We're gonna try it now, and then later on we're gonna tidy up this a little bit. We go back to Unity and we are going to assign them. So we start with the live script. Live goes to the player. We press on the player, we go down. It's down there. And the live text, we have to assign the live text. We go to the canvas, live text, we put it here. Now it works. Then take the damage script, put it on the damage ball. We have to assign the player. And it says here live script. So the live script is on the player. If I was player, go down, there is the live script. So we need to assign the live script here. is on the player. So if drag and drop here, the player. Do the same with the first aid. Go there, first aid goes to the first aid. Then again, player and player with the life skip. Now it should work. Let's see, I go close. My life goes down. If I go close to this one, it goes up. So just make sure it all works. The damage. And press Ctrl D. Move it to the side. Ctrl D. Move it to the side. Ctrl D. Ctrl D and Ctrl D. Now we have more. We can check if it works properly or not. If I pick up all of them, my life goes down to 40. So I pick up 50, it will be 90. And that works. And now we try if I can go above 100 life. Let's say I have 90. I pick it up, it just goes to 100. It won't go to 140. So it works. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more, just hit the like button and subscribe.